Welcome to JH. In this guide, I will demonstrate how to delete a Teamspace in Notion. To begin, click on your workspace name and navigate to the Settings menu. From here, select the Teamspaces tab to access your configurations. You will see a list of all your existing spaces. For this tutorial, I will use a secondary space to show you the deletion steps. First, select the Teamspace you wish to remove. It is essential to remove all current members first. Simply click on their names and choose the Remove option. Once the space is empty, click the three dots next to the Teamspace title and select Archive Teamspace. You must then type the name of the space to confirm the action before clicking the Archive button again. This process effectively removes the Teamspace from your active list. To view it again, change the filter from Active to Archived. From this menu, you can restore the space if needed, but keep in mind they are typically cleared out by the end of the month. Thank you for watching. If this was helpful, please like and subscribe for more tutorials. See you next time.